My heart is stuck on the phone, my brain is stuck on the phone, my soul is stuck on the phone. I can't leave the phone alone. I'm trapped, but I'm focused, so trapped, and I'm conscious. I update my status, when I update I focus. If I get data, my phone is dead. Barely data, now I am glad. Addicted to this fucking app. Fuck this app, I can't do anything, all I do is type. Lala lately like I'm looking for my type. When I date 10 now she's typing. Can I blue tick that? I can't blue tick that. Ufuni respond on the phone, I'm trapped. Fuck the smartphone, fuck the iPhone. Wonke umuntu lume apple iPhone. Sebenzini I can't work, all I do I just text. Nepuri call I just text. I'm too soft, my soul is stuck on a Microsoft. Damn son, azonke umuntu unenkinga. Inenkinga ezidlula inkinga. Asakhona ukubhekelela ama-TV, asakhona nokuhlala nemindeni yethu sike sizikhuphule nje ngenxa yalamafoni la, ama-WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Hlezi ngisefonini la engathi bangiloye
weekend kaofela lona le mo difounung kanti
Kulipoza. Mina ngisefonini only today. Yesterday I was phoneless, but everyone had their phone. So
o ska tlo bua maka mo ha guys wa tseba
who didn't know just the last